Colin Spencer Halsey. I'm the Chief Executive of the natural fibre company and Blacker Yarns, based in Launceston in Cornwall. We have two brands, the Natural Fibre Company, which is an end-to-end manufacturing of raw fibre through to finished yarn, and Blacker Yarns, which is the finished product which we mainly export, mainly to the US. The mill, the processing mill, is uniquely positioned between the micro mills, and there are several of them around the UK, which are generally family orientated, low or limited capacity, and the very large mills located in Yorkshire and Scotland, which are volume driven businesses. And we are positioned in between. Our core business is 25 kilos to a ton, very much geared to customization and bespoke orders tailored to the individual needs of the customer. The business has developed over the last few years, and in particular, we have invested and innovated in research and development projects. This is new product development, where we take traditional wool and blend it with alternative materials. And this has given us a new dimension to the business. Our aspirations for the future are to become a development house for wool blends and R&D projects, and we are working on transforming our very traditional manufacturing processes and machinery using new technologies to give us a competitive advantage in the market.